Hi and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to prevent your website from SQL injection by using a PHP function. So as you can see, I have my login function for my web application, and here is the SQL query which you send to the database for execution. And the user ID is where you put your SQL statement. If you type or 1 equal 1 and the comment symbol, then this will validate as true and you will retrieve information from the database. To give you an example, I will use my vulnerable web application and click SQL injection. Make sure the security level is set to low. Now in the user ID field, type single quote 1 equal 1 and the comment symbol. As you can see, I am able to retrieve information from the database using SQL injection. Okay, so now let's learn how to fix this problem. And to do this, you need to add MySQL real escape string function and strip slash, which is also a function, and then the if statement. So this function MySQL real escape string will escape special characters in a string when the query is sent to the database. What I mean by that is when you type special characters like single quote, comment symbol, and other different types of characters, then the SQL database it's not going to see these characters as code anymore. And the strip slash function removes backslashes. To help you understand better, I will switch back to my web application, and this time I will set the security level to high. And let's see now if the injection is working. And you can see when I click submit, nothing happens because the PHP function is inserted in the high security mode. You can click view source to see the code, and here you can see the functions. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.